What's good, YouTube? I thought I'd make a little video for y'all right before we got a little hurricane on the way. So I thought I'd throw on the S drive, do a little point of view drive video for you guys. So that's what we're gonna do. This is officially the calm before the storm. So hopefully it should start raining in approximately like 30 minutes. So hopefully we can get this video done without it start raining on us. Let's start this thing up. While we let it warm up, I'll give you a little walk around in the car. I know what it's been here. So it's a Corsair Extreme catback with stainless power long tube headers. It also has a tune, cold air intake. Got some wheel spacers on here. We got the Cervini hood, a bunch of side scoops, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But this is what it sits like right now. Straight air diffuser, tinted out, everything's tinted out. But yeah, it sounds good. And if y'all aren't subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. Hey man, y'all know the drill. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm kind of just gonna let you guys hear this thing. So it's in sport mode now, so let's do it. Everyone's out getting food, water, and gas for the storm, the hurricane. We'll do a little Sport Plus pull. That guy scared the crap out of me. Golly, man. Alright, let's put this thing in drag strip mode. Let's try that. Put it in drag strip. Keep it in automatic. I'll get rid of it. So the difference between the modes and everything, drag strip mode, basically it's more of a throttle response. So normal mode, you know, hit the gas, it's normal. With Sport Plus mode, the more you hit the throttle, the higher the RPMs go. So it's more throttle response for everyone. So it goes normal, Sport Plus, drag strip, track, and then snow and wet mode, meaning it's like the least you could have. So I don't usually do it in drag strip mode. But apparently that's what's best for like racing and everything, so we're gonna try that out right here in the straightaway. We're in drag strip mode. This S right here should be an M for manual. but for some reason they put sport, which doesn't make sense because it's mainly just for these paddle shifters, but it's whatever. All right, so we're gonna try a little drag strip pull right here. I'm not doing a dig though, because I will spin out. Don't got tires on this thing. Calm before the storm. That thing pulls. That pulls, man. I didn't even floor it or anything. I just wanted to see how it would pull. But man. I feel good. I haven't ever done a drag strip pull before, so that was good. Usually I do it in Sport Plus. Let's put the windows down a little bit more for y'all. Oh, I can't do a freaking U-turn here. Crap. Did not know that. Notice it doesn't really pop as much in drag strip mode. I don't know how that affects it, but it's not popping as much. Go, buddy, go, go, go. Alright, I'll do another one real quick. Put it in Sport Plus. See, it pops right away in Sport Plus. That's weird. Good to get one last little drive in this thing before got to put it away for a little bit. So a little Sport Plus pull. flooded out here. Yo, you should see the gas stations. Everyone is lined up getting gas. I mean, there are lines. Like, I've never seen it like that before. It's nutty. Turn it up a little bit. Yeah, we hitting the gym real quick. You know, we on that gym grind every single day. But yeah, I'll pick up the camera once I leave. Alright, y'all, we back. Still not raining yet, which I'm kind of surprised at. We going. Damn, this guy almost ran off the road. Let me know in the comments what you guys, what else you guys want done to this car, because I'm ready to do some stuff to it. I know I need to get a paint correction, maybe a supercharger in the future. What is this guy doing? Guys, I hope you like one of these point of view drive videos because I love making these for you. So if you want to keep on seeing these, let me know in the comments. So for the Hurricane, I'm gonna have the car parked under this carport, and I'm gonna throw this little cover for it on just in case, you know, things are flying and hits it. I'm not too worried about it flooding because they're saying we're not supposed to get like rain like, you know, how it was in Fort Myers last year with Hurricane Ian. It's not gonna like flood like that, so that should be good. But we're just gonna throw this on just in case. All right, so I got the car all covered up. That was a pain to do by myself, but we got it all covered up now. So this is how it's going to be for the storm. Hopefully it doesn't flood like they said it shouldn't, but this is what it looks like. And for anybody else out there in the southwest Florida Gulf Coast area, just stay safe, stay away from the hurricane. If you have to evacuate, evacuate. And we might have to evacuate. They already evacuated one level near us, so we might be next, but I'll just keep you guys updated. But that's about gonna do it for today's video. Just stay safe here in this area, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. It has started. This is just the beginning of it too. I'm gonna stay over here.